The M3GAN 2.0 premiere in New York wasn't just about a robotic horror comeback. It was a red carpet masterclass. Glamour, sophistication, bold fashion statements that screamed confidence and style. Who stole the spotlight? Let's dive into the best dressed at the M3GAN 2.0 red carpet premiere. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're a lover of red carpet fashion and Hollywood glam, you're in for a treat. The M3GAN 2.0 premiere in New York delivered jaw-dropping style moments that were just as thrilling as the movie itself. From vibrant color choices to futuristic glam, the stars made sure every step on that carpet was unforgettable. Let's break down the top fashion moments from the night and spotlight the best dressed at the M3GAN 2.0 red carpet premiere. Allison Williams radiates in cerise pink elegance. Allison Williams made a stunning return to the spotlight at the M3GAN 2.0 premiere, delivering a look that was equal parts effortless and glamorous. While the film dives deep into horror, Allison's ensemble channeled refined sophistication rather than cinematic theatrics. Wearing a cerise pink Carolina Herrera Fall 2025 gown, the actress chose simplicity in silhouette, sleeveless with a neckline, but boldness in color. The vibrant pink shade stood out magnificently against her fair complexion, creating a head-turning contrast that exuded confidence and charm. Interestingly, the gown's shade echoed the same neon pink seen in the film's promotional visuals, a subtle nod that fans and fashion enthusiasts alike appreciated. Instead of embracing the dark, scream queen tropes often seen on horror film carpets, Allison leaned into a classic red carpet style that felt modern, poised, and elevated. Details that made it shine. She accessorized with vintage Fred Leighton jewels, a pair of sculptural leaf earrings from the 1950s and textured gold and diamond bracelets from the 1960s, adding a touch of old Hollywood glam. With soft waves in her hair and a romantic rosy lip, Allison's beauty look maintained an air of relaxed elegance. This ensemble proved that sometimes letting the color speak for itself can be the most powerful fashion statement. Violet McGraw embraces neo-gothic princess vibes. At just 13, Violet McGraw delivered one of the evening's most unexpected and sophisticated fashion moments. Breaking away from youthful, bubbly red carpet styles, Violet channeled a mature, Gothic-inspired glamour that felt daring yet age-appropriate. She stepped out in a two-piece ensemble featuring a sleek black, long-sleeved crop top, paired with a voluminous, light-toned tulle skirt, possibly nude or soft pink. This dramatic contrast in textures and tones created a silhouette that was both ethereal and edgy, capturing the essence of a modern-day dark princess. Glamour in the details. The soft layers of tulle floated with every movement, creating a dreamlike visual. Her cascading waves and subtle smoky eye gave the outfit a mature polish, while a rosy lip added warmth and balance. By keeping accessories minimal, opting for delicate earrings, Violet allowed the gown to be the centerpiece of her look. This debut proves she's not just a rising actress, but a rising style star as well. Madeleine McGraw shines in futuristic, metallic green. Taking a bold approach to the red carpet, Madeleine McGraw stepped into the spotlight with a jaw-dropping, futuristic ensemble that radiated high fashion and innovation. Her metallic green floor-length gown was pure red carpet drama. With its spaghetti straps, cowl neckline, and sleek fit, the gown hugged her frame while the shimmering fabric reflected light in a way that made her seem almost otherworldly. The futuristic vibe of the gown perfectly matched M3GAN 2.0's tech-driven storyline, adding a meta twist to her style. A bold yet sophisticated take. The fabric, possibly lame or a similar iridescent textile, shifted hues as she moved, creating a liquid metal illusion that wowed onlookers and photographers alike. Madeleine's styling was kept minimal to let the dress take center stage. With her hair pulled back and soft makeup highlighting her youthful glow, she embraced a fashion-forward aesthetic that still felt grounded and chic.
Summary.
The best dressed at the M3GAN 2.0 red carpet premiere proved one thing: horror and high fashion can absolutely go hand in hand. From Allison's radiant simplicity, Violet's gothic drama, to Madeleine's futuristic glow, each star brought their A-game, showcasing how red carpet style can be personal, powerful, and cinematic. Here's what we learned. Color is power, from neon pink to electric green. Balance matters. Drama with restraint equals chic. Themes don't mean costumes. Subtle tributes to the film still slay. So, who do you think was the best dressed at the M3GAN 2.0 premiere? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you love this fashion recap, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell so you never miss another red carpet breakdown. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next glam-filled video.